Jack and Annie find a magic treehouse that can go in time and back. They find a penguin, and the penguin asks if they want to go see Alexander the Great. They go to see Alexander the Great in a castle. They arrive at the castle and they meet King Philip, and he is really mean, just like his son Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great asks Jack for a race or hunt a lion in the woods. Aristotle tries to train the horse while it is trying to kick him. Jack and Annie went to the Wild West the last time they went to their treehouse. Jack and Annie want to ride the magic horse. Annie thinks the horse is extraordinary, and they finally get to ride the horse. Alexander, he never got to ride the horse until he got to the next day, when the king said he could, even though every single time he tried to ask, the king said no, except for this one time. Alexander the Great was really happy when he got to finally ride his horse. The end. Thanks for watching.